Hey everyone, it's Astrema here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a fat burning detox drink that has been helping me along with other things to help my stomach stay down and really burn that belly fat. After drinking this for about 3 days, you will see a difference in the way you feel and the way you look. As a disclaimer, I am not a professional or anything like that, so you want to do your own research. I just wanted to come and share with you guys something that has been helping me, and I hope that you can get something from this. So make sure you thumbs up the video if you found this to be helpful. Also subscribe for more from me and just keep on watching. Okay, so this is very simple. All you're gonna need are all the ingredients that I'm showing you right now, but I'm also going to be writing out the ingredients for anyone that wants to take like a screenshot of it. It's very, very simple, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna have more than, if not all, of the ingredients that are here. Apple cider vinegar is gonna be the key ingredient. So we're gonna be first using 12 ounces of fresh filtered water, purified water. I use this filter. If I don't use store-bought water, I use the filter. I'll also link the filter down below. So this is about 12 ounces of water. So this is going to be a nice, cool, refreshing drink right here, you guys. I normally am a hot drink person, but this tastes really good, cool. Apple cider vinegar is going to be the next ingredient. You could do 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I did do 2 tablespoons. Going to be very diluted from this 12 ounces of water, but you can use however much you want, and I like to use the Bragg's. So you want to make sure your apple cider vinegar is with the mother in it. So we're going to be putting it in a blender as you see here, because we're going to be blending it up. So next I'm going to be cutting a lemon, and I'm just going to be using the juice. 1 tablespoon of the juice from the lemon, just squeeze it on out. It's really easy. So 1 tablespoon, your big spoon, just like that, and just squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice onto it until it fills the spoon, and then we're going to be putting it right on in there. Next, we're going to be using some ground cinnamon. You can use whatever type of cinnamon you have on hand. If you're going to use cinnamon sticks, it probably might not work for this, and I'm pretty sure many of you have ground cinnamon in your cupboards. So just some fresh ground cinnamon, and we're going to be doing 1 teaspoon of the ground cinnamon. So I just used a tablespoon, so this is the smaller spoon, 1 teaspoon. Just fill it on up and put it in there. And if you didn't know, cinnamon is really good for fat burning, so we could not leave cinnamon out of this recipe today. I think I got a little heavy-handed with the cinnamon, but that's just about enough right here. And the cinnamon is also going to give it some color. If you see this brown color, it's because of that. And then we're going to be using some pure honey as our sweetener. So as an alternative, you can use stevia, you can use agave, you can use raw sugar, cane sugar. I'm going to be using a 1/2 teaspoon of the honey for this recipe. I just gave you some other options. If you don't want any sweetener in it, you don't have to put it, but I do suggest to add some sweetener so the bitterness from the other things won't really overwhelm the drink. So now I'm just mixing it on up in the blender cup, and then I'm gonna blend it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds will do it justice. And as you can see, it has like that brown color, but I really do recommend blending it on up so that everything can blend up easily and it won't taste badly. Now I'm going to be taking 1/2 of a red gala apple. You can use any type of apple, but I would recommend like, a red apple. And I'm going to take 1/2 of it, and then I'm going to slice it on up. So as you notice, I did not blend the apples within the drink. But what I am going to be doing is adding it to my mason jar like that. Nice little aesthetics going on right here. And then I'm going to take my detox drink and pour it on over my apples, you guys. Just like so. And it just filled up the cup more because the apples just gave it more consistency. So now we're gonna let that sit in there. The apples is gonna really soak up the drink, and you're just gonna consume the drink. This is the detox drink right here with apple cider vinegar right there. And when I tell you guys, at first when I started drinking this, I was a little apprehensive, but it really doesn't taste like much. It doesn't taste like much. You taste the cinnamon, but it's not overpowering. It's really good, actually. It's very refreshing, and you don't really taste the apple cider vinegar that much. It's mostly like cinnamon that you taste. Yeah, and it's really good. So I just sip on it. It's very easy to sip on. It's not nauseating or anything like that. And then the cool thing is when the apples sit in there, it kind of soaks up the liquid, and the apples taste so good. So what I do after I drink the entire drink, I eat the apples after, and the apples taste so good. So good. And this is going to help suppress your appetite. It's going to help with burning belly fat. It's going to help with weight loss. You can drink this once a day. You can meal prep it in the fridge, and the apples is going to really soak up the liquid, and literally it just tastes so good. Literally, you can drink this every day. I would only suggest to drink it once a day because it is a detox drink. But this is my little detox drink right here, you guys. If you try it out, make sure you tag me on Instagram at astremasimone. It's really, really good, you guys. Like, really good, especially for the summer. Like I said, it's very refreshing with the apples. Oh my gosh. I really hope that you try it out because it's been helping my belly stay down with bloating. It makes me feel good inside. It doesn't hurt my stomach or anything like that. I most definitely will have more recipes for you guys, and I hope that this one right here can help you out. So make sure you stay tuned for other recipes, other what I eat in a day, other fitness, weight loss, fat burning videos that I have coming to you. And thank you so much for watching today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.